I accepted the invitation to the ECNP conference this year because I find ECNP in general to be a really engaging meeting in terms of cutting-edge psychiatry. I spent 12 years in Europe at the University of Bristol, and so it's also a way for me to reconnect with some of the colleagues that I developed while I was here. I think there is a broad value in maintaining that communication with European psychiatry. And psychiatry is very much an international field. And I think to really understand how we're moving forward in psychiatry requires that kind of global perspective. This morning's session was a brainstorming session, and I really like this format. It's designed so that two speakers each give 5 minutes of presentation to introduce a topic, and the remainder of the hour is entirely discussion. And so it's very unusual to have an opportunity to have such in-depth discussion of a focused topic. It was difficult in the sense that the skills that are required to work in different animal models are different. But I was joining a highly accomplished team using rodent models when I transitioned to rodent models. And now I collaborate with teams of psychiatrists to translate our preclinical work into clinical trials. Europe does a very good job of bringing young scientists together for special workshops and meetings. ECNP does the same. Has a strong focus on development of young scientists and training of young scientists. And I think that was a very nurturing environment for me personally during my early career. I spent 12 years in the UK, was awarded a Wellcome Trust Fellowship at one point for 4 years, and then made the big decision to go back to the US and join an academic department at the University of Colorado Boulder, where I am today after 10 years.